Health Minister Dr Zweli Mkhize has arrived at the Limpopo ANC headquarters in Polokwane to brief the party about developments in the country's handling of the coronavirus pandemic. The party wants clarity on why the province was chosen to host the 121 South Africans being repatriated from Wuhan in China after the outbreak of COVID-19. An SANDF team left from OR Tambo on Tuesday night to Wuhan to bring the group home tomorrow. The government has not yet confirmed where they will be quarantined, but there are reports that they will be taken to a hotel in Polokwane. Well, for more on this, we cross to our reporter Lutendo Bobodi, who's standing by for us in Polokwane. Thanks very much, Lutendo, for joining us. So the minister, is he still briefing his colleagues there at the ANC headquarters?
Thank you so much. I can hardly hear you, but I think you're talking about this particular meeting here, just in France, Mutala, just behind me. You know, after all the hoo-ha about people coming from Wuhan, coming here to be quarantined here somewhere outside town here, there's been a lot of talks, and we hear that the people in the ANC are now differing in terms of over that particular decision. Some are saying, well, fine, they can come here, we'll take care of them, while some are saying, but you cannot bring them here. It's dangerous, it's potentially risky. While others are saying, well, look, we can welcome them here and take care of them, but they're saying the quarantine site is not too far from town. If you're going to that particular site, it's only 26 kilometers if you are driving on the N1, and it's only about 28 kilometers if you are driving on the R101. And so people are now at loggerheads about that. Now the minister is here with other ministers. Bheki Cele is here, Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma is here, and Aaron Motsoaledi. They're here to kind of allay fear and try to settle this issue.
Because obviously, if they were to... we seem to be on those visuals of the Minister of Health speaking to colleagues. Okay, these visuals that we're seeing are pictures of the Health Minister Zweli Mkhize speaking to colleagues at that ANC meeting in Limpopo. My colleague Lutendo can no longer hear us, but of course they're not addressing the media at the moment. Oh, Lutendo, can you hear me now? It's Nompu.
Yeah, definitely I can hear you. I just lost you and I couldn't basically hear your question.
So my question to you now is that obviously this would be the same problem if these people were to be located in any other province. You know, so what is the suggestion? What are those people who are opposed to those people going to Limpopo? What are they suggesting? Where else should they go? If we all feel the same across all the provinces, maybe we should just put them in the sea.
Yeah, well, like I said, the quarantine site is only a few kilometers from here, and they're saying, look, it's too close to town. And if you look at the health system here in the province, it's falling, and we may not be able to deal with it. They're saying, why can't you choose some sort of a military camp, maybe somewhere far afield, somewhere away from Polokwane, which is the most populous city in town? Some are saying, I mean, in the province, and some are going to the extent of saying, what if these people have been affected or infected, and one of them just sneak out of the camp, coming here to town to socialize or have a drink? That they're saying then the whole province might be in a disaster.